Hi friends, welcome to this channel. And in this video, I will show you and tell you how you can remove the flashlight from the lock screen on your iPhone. Please subscribe to the channel, put your likes, write comments after watching the video, and let us get started with you. So, on all iPhones, if you turn on the lock screen, you will see at the bottom that there is a flashlight section. But unfortunately, you won't be able to turn it off completely from your iPhone because there's no function. But you can make sure that you don't accidentally click on this function and that it doesn't interfere with you. So, first of all, go to the phone settings, then scroll down and go to display. Then scroll down again, and this is where you'll find wake up, and you'll need to disable this feature. Now once again go back to the phone settings, and here already go to accessibility. Next is touch. And then go to wake up touch and deactivate it as well. This way, you can reduce the chance that you will turn on the flashlight or it will be turned on accidentally, like in your pocket or in your bag when you just pick up your phone and so on. This is how it is, friends. You will be able to deactivate the flashlight a little bit on your lock screen on your iPhone. Friends, I hope this video was helpful for you. Please subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to put likes and also write your comments. And see you soon.